Welcome to ZingKidz.
General knowledge. What color are lemons?
Yellow is the correct answer.
Which month comes after April? May is the correct answer. What animal says neigh? Horse is the correct answer. What do you use to eat ice cream? Spoon is the correct answer. What color are clouds? White is the correct answer. Which shape has 4 sides of equal length? Square is the correct answer. What do you use to play soccer? Football is the correct answer. What color is the moon? White is the correct answer. Which animal says moo? Cow is the correct answer. What do you use to type on a computer? Keyboard is the correct answer. What do you use to see things far away? Telescope is the correct answer. What color are apples? Red is the correct answer. What do you use to cut vegetables? Knife is the correct answer. Which animal says woof? Dog is the correct answer. What do you use to write on a blackboard? Chalk is the correct answer. What is the color of the sun?
Yellow is the correct answer.
What is the color of a carrot? Orange is the correct answer. What do you use to measure time? Clock is the correct answer. What is the color of the grass? Green is the correct answer. What color are tomatoes? Red is the correct answer.